Bangor Everblue Low Rate Credit Card Review 2025. Worth it or leave it? If you're searching for a credit card that promises low interest rates and straightforward terms in 2025, the Bangor Everblue Low Rate Credit Card might have caught your eye. It positions itself as a practical option for individuals who want to manage balances responsibly, avoid high interest charges, and still enjoy standard credit card perks But is it truly worth your time? Or is it better to leave it alone and explore other options? In this review, we'll break down everything you need to know about the card, its interest rates, fees, rewards, benefits, and real-world usability so you can make an informed decision. Let's begin with the card's core appeal its low interest rate. Unlike many standard credit cards that feature variable APR in the 20% range the Bangor Everblue Low Rate Credit Card offers a consistently lower APR typically around 11% to 15% variable depending on your creditworthiness at the time of approval. This is significant for anyone who tends to carry a balance month-to-month, because a lower interest rate means less money lost to interest charges allowing you to pay down principal faster and maintain better control over your finances. To illustrate, imagine carrying a $2,000 balance for 1 month. With a typical 23% APR credit card, you might pay about $38 in interest whereas with the Bangor Everblue Low Rate Card at 13% APR, your interest would be roughly $21 almost half the cost just for using a lower rate card. Over time, that difference compounds, saving you hundreds of dollars if you routinely carry balances. Now, let's talk about eligibility The Bangor Everblue Low Rate Card is generally available to applicants with good to excellent credit which means it may not be accessible if you have a fair or poor credit score. If you qualify, however, the card gives you access to one of the most competitively priced APRs among mainstream credit cards in 2025. That alone makes it a strong contender for individuals seeking to manage debt efficiently Moving on to fees The Bangor Everblue Low Rate Credit Card is transparent. It usually comes with no annual fee which means you can keep the card open indefinitely without being penalized. Some cardholders may incur late payment fees or returned payment fees typically up to $35 which is standard across most credit cards. Importantly, the low APR is the card's headline feature, so ensuring you pay on time is key to making the most of it. Next, let's explore rewards and benefits Unlike premium rewards cards, the Bangor Everblue Low Rate Credit Card doesn't focus heavily on cashback or points programs. Instead, it offers basic credit card perks such as fraud protection and $0 liability for unauthorized charges, online account access, and mobile management free credit score tracking and alerts While it lacks high reward categories like travel or dining bonuses, the card is ideal for those who prioritize minimizing interest costs over earning points One of the surprising truths about low-rate cards like this is that they can be a stepping stone toward financial freedom Many people assume that rewards are the most valuable aspect of a credit card, but if you consistently carry the balance, high-interest rewards cards may actually cost more than they return With the Bangor Everblue Low Rate Credit Card, the savings from reduced interest can outweigh what you would earn from typical cashback programs especially if your balance is significant. Now, let's look at real-world usage The card functions like any standard Visa or MasterCard, so it's widely accepted in the US and online. You can use it for everyday purchases like groceries, gas, bills, and online shopping. Since it has a low APR, it's particularly suitable for planned large purchases where you might need a few months to pay off the balance without accruing excessive interest. For example, if you buy $1000 appliance and plan to pay it off over 6 months, the lower APRA can save you dozens of dollars compared to high-interest cards. Credit building potential is another consideration. While the Bangor Everblue low-rate credit card is generally targeted toward people with good credit responsible use can still help improve your credit score over time. Paying at least the minimum on time, keeping utilization below 30% and avoiding late payments all contribute positively to your credit history. This card reports to all 3 major credit bureaus, so maintaining good habits can strengthen your credit profile potentially qualifying you for even better financial products in the future. It's also worth mentioning customer service and account management Bangor Everblue offers online account access, mobile app management, and customer support Cardholders can view statements, set alerts, and track spending easily. This is particularly valuable for budget-conscious users who want to monitor their finances without surprises. Now, let's weigh the pros and cons Pros low APRA ideal for carrying balances no annual fee making it cost-effective to keep long-term widely accepted and easy to use standard fraud protection and mobile account access can help manage debt efficiently and maintain financial control. Cons. Rewards and points programs are minimal or non-existent eligibility limited to those with good to excellent credit late payment and returned payment fees still apply, not ideal for people seeking premium perks or high cashback categories comparing this card to alternatives like the CD Diamond Preferred or Bank AmeriCard credit card The Bangor Everblue low-rate card holds its own for interest-sensitive users. CD Diamond Preferred often offers a 0% intro APRA for 12 to 18 months which can be advantageous for temporary large purchases, but after the intro period, its standard APRA may be higher than Bangor Everblue's. Bank AmeriCard is another low-rate option, but may have slightly higher ongoing APRA and fewer online management tools depending on the account. In short, Bangor Everblue is positioned as a reliable, long-term low-interest solution rather than a short-term promotional offer. Here's a practical example. Suppose you have a $3,000 balance and typically pay $200 per month. At 23% APRA average standard card, you might pay roughly $57 in interest monthly at 13% APRA with Bangor Everblue. You'd pay approximately $32 in interest monthly over a 12-month period. That's a savings of about $300 in interest alone That's substantial, particularly if your goal is to pay down debt efficiently without seeking rewards or luxury perks. Finally, the takeaway The Bangor Everblue low-rate credit card in 2025 is worth it if your priority is low interest rates, debt management, and long-term financial control It's not designed for rewards enthusiasts or those looking for premium perks, but it excels for people who want to carry a balance responsibly, minimize interest costs, and maintain flexibility in everyday spending. Its transparency, no annual fee, and online management tools make it a practical choice for anyone seeking a low-risk, cost-effective credit solution In conclusion, if you carry balances occasionally, want to save money on interest, and maintain a good credit profile the Bangor Everblue low-rate credit card is a strong contender in 2025. Use it wisely, pay attention to due dates, and take advantage of its low APRA to reduce interest payments and manage debt effectively. For individuals who want a no-nonsense, financially prudent credit card this is one of the better low-rate options available today.